folks, as we come to the tail end of our Bill of Rights series, it's time to talk about one of the least discussed but most important protections our founders gave us, the Seventh Amendment. Now, why was it written? Simple. The Founding Fathers knew that kings and their judges could twist the law and rob citizens of justice behind closed doors. They wanted ordinary people, juries of your peers, to have the final say in civil disputes, not some robe-wearing official who could be pressured, bought, or corrupted. The Seventh Amendment guarantees the right to a trial by jury in civil cases, putting the power of judgment in the hands of the people. But today, that right is under threat from something called judicial gatekeeping. That's when judges, for whatever reason, politics, corporate influence, or their own biases, block access to juries altogether. Instead of letting 12 citizens hear the facts and decide, they shut the courthouse doors. That's not just bad policy. It's a perversion of what the founders intended. Here's a real-life, right-now example. Yesterday, President Trump and HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. made a huge announcement about the health damages and links to autism from pregnant women taking acetaminophen, better known as Tylenol. That's newsworthy by itself. But the story that isn't being told is this. Recent cases of judicial gatekeeping have blocked plaintiffs, families who believe Tylenol caused their children's autism, from getting their day in court before a jury. Think about that. If corrupt or compromised judges weren't manipulating the process, how many families would have been informed years ago of this risk? How many children's lives might have been changed? Instead, the truth was buried, while Big Pharma and their allies in the legal system made sure jurors never even heard the evidence. Folks, this is why learning about and fighting for the Bill of Rights isn't just an academic exercise. It's not something to dust off for Constitution Day and then forget about. It's life and death. It's your health, your children's future, your freedom. The Seventh Amendment isn't an old piece of parchment. It's a shield. But it only works if we demand that it be honored. So the next time you hear someone say the Bill of Rights doesn't matter in modern life, you tell them this story. Because now you know, your health and the health of your children may depend on a vigorous defense of the Seventh Amendment.